this Gauteng-based telecommunications company, the Telecommunications Technical Officer or Technologist is known as the Chief Technical Officer. He carries out specialized design and support functions in telecommunications engineering. Telecommunications, also known as telecom, includes information transmitting technologies such as telephones, wired and wireless, microwave communications, fiber optics, satellites, radio, television broadcasting, and the internet. A typical working process begins with a client meeting to understand their requirements. The Telecommunications Technical Officer then looks at what products are available to meet the client's needs. Typical client requirements include fast internet, quality calls at cheap rates, and effective call recording. To design the best solution, he looks at the connection options, how to bring all the communications into the business. This can include phones, a switchboard, internet, setting up a wireless connection throughout the client's premises, and video conferencing. He works out the most effective way to connect the WAN or wide area network to the LAN or local area network. In other words, what is the best way to connect the client's premises, the local area network, to outside transmitters, the wide area network? This involves choosing options such as copper, fiber, or microwave. Microwave uses point-to-point transmission, for example, from one microwave radio, which looks like a satellite dish, to another. He looks at what services the client needs, like voice services. The client may need a public broadcast exchange or PBX, which is like a switchboard. He'll match the best brand to the client's requirements. For example, how many incoming calls and outgoing calls does the client deal with on an average, or how many calls have to be recorded and stored. The next step is to present the client with a proposal, including an outline of how the system will be designed and the costs. After the client approves the telecommunications system, the Telecommunications Technical Officer meets with his team and takes him through the solution he has designed. The team includes the suppliers, who will do the actual physical installations of cables and components. The team gives feedback on whether all aspects of the solution are adequate and achievable. Following installation, the technical officer will test if the solution is working. He will go through a checklist. For example, are the calls recording? Are they going through the switchboard? Is the internet working effectively? Among other tests. One of his client's services is to operate tracing call facilities. He traces calls to check their origin and destination and any problems along the way. He then provides the client with training on how to use the system. The minimum requirement for this career is a grade 12 with maths and physical science, enabling you to study in areas such as a BSc in electronic engineering. For this demanding and rewarding career, you need to be an analytical thinker and a team worker with the ability to translate a layman's description into a technical solution.